What is this? EcoBoost on a dryer? What, does it have like a Ford turbocharged engine inside? And the exhaust dries the clothes? No, not quite. This EcoBoost button here is just some kind of a setting on my old Whirlpool dryer. And the funny thing is, if you look there, you will see that the E and the B are capitalized, which to me looks like it's the same stylization that Ford uses with their EcoBoost engines. The interesting thing is, this dryer is multiple years old, and I would say that the EcoBoost button as an option was released probably pretty closely to the time that the EcoBoost Ford engine was becoming popular. So maybe somebody should tell Ford. Maybe they have. You never know. In contrast, my brand new LG washing machine, it has something over here called Turbo Wash, and notice the trademark symbol. Very interesting. Turbo, that also sounds like an engine. But at least that time it's not something that's trademarked by Ford. All right, well, that was something fun to share with you all. Hope it brought a little smile to your day. And watch out next time you're doing your laundry. It might start taking off and driving on its own with an EcoBoost engine.